In this video, we will see an example on sinusoids and phasors. Question: find I of t. Here we have to find this I of t. Voltage is given. V of t is equal to 4t cos 60t plus 30 degree. The value of inductance is given. L is equal to 0.2 Henry. We have to find I of t, that is current in time domain format. Solution: first of all, we will write what is given. So V of t is given. V of t is equal to 4t cos 60t plus 30 degree. Now first of all, what we will do? We will compare this with standard equation. So V of t is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi. So from this we can say Vm is equal to 40 volts is the maximum voltage or amplitude. Omega, which is the angular frequency, omega is equal to 60 radian per second, and the value of phi is equal to 30 degree. So here this is phi, which is phase angle, it is 30 degree. Also the value of inductance is given. L is equal to 0.2 Henry. So here we can write L is equal to 0.2 Henry, and we have to find I of t is equal to question mark. And we know that for inductor, the voltage and current relation is given by, in frequency domain, it is given by V is equal to J omega L I. This is in frequency domain. Frequency domain, and it is the V and I relationship. V and I relationship in frequency domain for inductor. Now we can substitute all the values. So here we can see this voltage is given in time domain form. So its equivalent, let's copy this. And convert it into phasor domain, which is also called as phasor domain or frequency domain. So this will be capital V is equal to 4t at an angle is 30 degree. Now we got the value of this voltage. Then we also have the value of omega and L. So from here we can say I is equal to V, voltage V divided by J omega L. The value of voltage is 4t at an angle 30 degree divided by, now here this J is 1 at an angle 90 degree, and this omega, the value of omega is, here we can see 60 radian per second. So 60 multiplied with the value of inductance, it is 0.2 Henry. So it is 0.2 Henry. Now here this will be 40 at an angle 30 degree divided by, now 1 into 60 into 0.2. So this will be 1 into 60 into 0.2. So it is 12 at an angle 90 degree. Now from this I is equal to 40 divided by 12. So 40 divided by 12, it is 3.33. So 3.33 at an angle 30 degree minus 90 degree. So this is how we solve division of polar form. So therefore I is equal to 3.33 at an angle. This will be minus 60 degree. Now this is the value of current I in phasor form. So it is in phasor domain form. Now I of t. So time domain format, this will be 3.33 cos omega t. The value of omega is 60 radian per second. So it will be 60 t plus, not plus, the value of phi is minus 60 degree. So minus 60 degree. Now this is the value of I of t in time domain format. So this is how, and also remember it is current, so its unit will be ampere. Also here the unit will be ampere. So this is how we can solve, or we can find I of t for inductor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.